Okay, so I'm back with my cash registers. So far I have two here in the garage working. Well, I have two that work. I have another one in my storage shed. And, well, it's in piss poor condition. I found it in a landfill where I found the two Hoover convertibles that you saw on a previous video. The damaged and withered convertibles, and a Hoover shampoo polisher over there that is in working order. Found it under a TV. Anyway, that thing is too. It's in my shed. So I'm waiting on a perfect time to bring it up here someday. It's probably not gonna be soon because the thing is so freaking heavy. The drawer's missing and the cord is chopped off of it. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do on it. A lot of sandblasting, no, not sandblasting, a lot of oiling, a lot of lubricating and stuff to do on it. Some of the buttons are missing off of it. So, yeah, I need to do some major repairs. But this is about these two so far. This one I found off of Crestview, Florida Buy Sell Trade on Facebook. So, it was, I think $15 local pickup, so that's exactly what I did. And I lubricated the thing with LPS2, which I am yet to get more of. So this works. It's all manual. I don't know, I think the paper roller was missing off of it when I got it. So, yeah. For this, I think it was used at a, like a little convenience store auto garage or something. For example, let's say someone came in and ordered tobacco, I would press B and it would be recorded already. So there's this record button. And you would punch in your numbers and it would kind of be like a mechanical computer. So this is that one. This one I got third because I already got the NCR, which is the brand of the one in my shed. I don't know what NCR stands for. Maybe, I think maybe National Commercial Register, perhaps? I don't know. Anyway, this one is all digital. So I've so far gotten it figured out. But not completely. It's got like an alarm system on it, I guess, because you can't just charge. So it would come up with the error and it would have like a buzzer on it or something, or a beep. So yeah, someday I'm going to bring that other cash register up here and do a video on it. I know some of y'all are probably now anxious to see it. So yeah, I'll bring that up here someday and do a video on it. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the cash registers. There's that one. and the first one I got, which is obviously empty because I don't hardly use this a lot. Mostly store my dollars in this. As we can see, I got a couple ones in here, so yeah. I'm not rich. Of course, I do my job. I make my own money. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll bring that other cash register up here someday. So, yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.